What if there's a AI tool with the help of you can create the different designs, no matter it's your display ads, your social media content, your video, your cover, your scroll stopping kind of the 3D videos that grabs attention intensely. You can even edit the stories, all this stuff you can do with this AI tool. So right now this tool is back again on the AppSumo with the lifetime deal. Yes, after the 1 year this tool is back again on the LTD, and this is the right chance because they are the only exclusive deal available for the Plus members. Yes, I'm talking about the AppSumo Plus members because this is the Plus day going on. They have bring back some of the crazy and the popular tools right now here, and one of them is this banner boo here. So I already did a review video last year on the banner boo, but after that there are so many improvements have done on this platform, and many people ask me when they are going to get back this deal again. So all of you guys, this is the right chance. But let me tell you one thing, this deal is exclusive only for the Plus members, so you are going to get it unless you don't have the AppSumo Plus membership. So first you have to get the Plus membership, and any of you have the Plus membership, congratulations, because you can get access it, and you still need to take care activity because this is the limited availability here. You can check it out. 8% claimed means around once it's got the 100%, you will not able to get its lifetime deal. So whether it's this availability is gone or its time is gone, this deal will be ended again and will be the gone forever. So right now it's starting from the same price around the last year, that is the $49. You can create the 100 video exports. You can do the also get the storage of the 5 GB, 15 background removals per month, 30,000 embedded ad views per month. All this stuff you are getting here, plus unlimited guest views. So in this video let me talk about it and give you the walkthrough. So if you don't know what is the banner view, so let me just give you all this overview about the feature. So this is the banner boo dashboard. Here you will get out that this platform is specially built for designing the ad creatives, or you can even create the SVG. So there are so many exciting features I'm really wanna talk about. So first thing, you have to go to the create design. This is the first feature. You will check it out and it will ask you which kind of the design you want to create. It has thousands of templates available based on your objective or what the thing you want to do it. For example, here you can just search the templates and even select from the, let me close this one, even select from the whether you want to generate the or create the display ads content for your social medias, you want to create the animated videos, you want to create the covers, you want to do the scroll stopper videos. If you don't know what is the scroll stopper, these are the videos or the graphics that is the instantly grab the attention of the viewer. So let me give you some of the templates example. For example, you can check it out. These are the template and look at them. These are just grabbing the attention out of user or the viewer, no matter which platform it is. You can just instantly use them for the stop scrolling and get the attention of your visitor. Then you can also create the stories. There's this free section available about the free features, and this is the my templates, means somehow if you have also some your designs, you can use it and store it here. So let me go to the display ads and let me show you how you can create your first display ad. So this is under the display ads, and here it will ask you what size you want to create the ad. You can select it from here. It has all the popular layouts and the sizes available. Don't worry, you can also resize the ad. Okay, plus you can also search the templates from here, or you can add your custom size here and click on the let's go. So suppose I am going to go with this square size, and let me select any of these ones. So I like this one. I like this one here. So before clicking on this pencil icon to use it, you can also preview it. So if I click here on the preview button, now it will just open up the preview, and let me show how this ad design looks like. So it is also useful before you actually get into the customization process. You can just check it out whether this one is actually pretty good for you or not. Okay, it is taking too much time, so let me close this one. We can also preview it, but just by adding our cursor on that ad creative, you can see that this is, for example, if I click here, this is the animation. If I click here, there's some animation. Let me click this one. Add the cursor here, and I can also check out this graphics animation. So that's how basically it's worked like for previewing the ad. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. So let me click on this pencil icon and start customizing this ad design or this creative. Okay, I have to re-log in again or authorize this one. So sometime this happen. So this is how its editing dashboard looks like, and if I just move the a little bit this editing section, you can see the animation is running here. So based on this we can understand, if we select this element we can start customizing this one. Okay, so this is pretty much easy. If I select this one, this is this for, okay, if I select this one, this is for this. And once you select any of these elements, the editing section is also pretty much easy. You can see I have selected this button, and here I can find out the text setting, I have found out the colors, layout, all this stuff. So let me edit this one. So simply I have to double click here and change the button here. So let me edit here. For now, cancel it. Okay, so I hope you are getting pretty much, it's easy. So if I go to the text setting, let me make it a little bit, increase the size. Okay, and its size is increased. Hope you are trying hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and there are also some 3D cube, carousel, all this stuff available. If you want to add this some music in your animation, you can do it here. From here you want to draw or add this some color palette. Suppose I want to change the full color all this design have, so I just need to select any of these color palettes. So let me click this one, purple, anything. Okay, let me select this one, boom, select this one, boom. So in this single click I can just instantly change all the colors with the help of color palette here. Then this is the layout section. Okay, this is the section where you can upload your assets like the design. This is also support the your Photoshop design format. Okay, so all this stuff is really easy. And there's the one more thing that is really important to know you, that is this smart animation. Suppose I have selected all this one, this blue one, and then if I click on the smart animation, it is going to add the smart animation with the single click. Let me add this one, fade down, and now all the this animation is now added to my full design. So let me click here on the none, so it can be go back to the it's normal. Okay, it's not normal, so I have to click here on the undo, and now it's back to the normal. So suppose your design is done, so let me click on the play button, and this is how your design looking right now. So within the just few clicks we have just selected the template, click on the pencil icon to edit it, customize it according to our needs, and this is how our design is looking like. So this is the Banner Boo, and I have just give you the glimpse of its few features, but there are so many possibilities you can also do with this platform here. So make sure you want to check out this deal before it's gone forever. So if you want to check it out, the link will be given in the description. And if you want to know more about the AppSumo Plus membership, you can just go to my YouTube channel and search the, let me search the AppSumo Plus membership or AppSumo Plus review, so you can get the idea what it is. Okay, so you can just simply do it yourself. You have to just click here on the search icon and search the AppSumo Plus. You will find the video, or I can also pin the video in the link of this description. So bye bye. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. If you want to also check out all these other tools of the Plus membership offering, you can also check out, there's this page link also given in the description.